Hey, what's up guys? So go ahead and check out this cool bender that I just got from Vevor. So one thing that you're gonna notice with the kit is every single one of these mandrels is aluminum. So let's go ahead and test it out. All right, we'll grab the 7/8 mandrel. All right, get that snug. And now we just want to make sure that these right here are going to show 7/8 on the bottom, and then you'll see 3/4 on the top. We'll just slide it through here. Check this out. All right guys, so there's a 90 there. We're gonna go ahead and do the 3/4, but with this one, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and put the reverse bending attachment on it. The way you set this up is gonna be pretty simple guys. So this one right here, that gets attached onto this part. And then you have to twist the wing nut on the back. This right here. Now you just tighten it down. Go ahead and get your crossbow and make sure you set this up like that. Now we're gonna get our 3/4 mandrel. Set this up here and make sure you go like this with it so that this piece is all the way down. We're gonna get our 3/4 copper. And just make sure these things both say 3/4. Now check this out. All right, that is 90 degrees right there, guys. You pull the lever. Check that out. So that's pretty much it for the Vevor bender. It pretty much is going to cover everything you need for residential applications. Don't forget to like and follow guys, and have a great day.